Page 3, his father's at work when Buddy walks through the door. His dad is sort of a jerk, and Buddy's mad from the floor.
His father's not prepared to be a dad to a son he never knew he had.
But soon
He'll be forced to change his tune. It's the story of Buddy the Elf. It's the story of Buddy the Elf. It's the story of, it's kind of brilliant if I say so myself. It's the story of Buddy the Elf. And maybe Buddy helps his dad in a setting much like this.
And maybe his father learns a son is something he can't dismiss.
They might learn that they need each other much more than they know.
Maybe the point of the story is it's never too late to grow.
It's never too late to